Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device model and OS version so the theme fits. Once done, back up current settings or create a restore point to avoid loss. Next, install the official theme app or compatible APK and grant required permissions. Make sure battery is above 50% to avoid interruption. You'll need to enable any developer or advanced theme toggles before progressing. This is a one-time step that prevents later errors and streamlines the actual theme swap. You open the theme app and select the target theme labeled Nothing or its equivalent. Then you customize icons, fonts, widgets, and layout. Use preview mode to confirm each change. Once satisfied, apply the theme. The system will install assets and rebuild caches automatically. During this phase, do not close critical screens. Allow the process to finish. If there are optional modules for animations or lock screen styling, enable them now so the final appearance matches your intended minimalist look. You finish by rebooting the device to ensure all theme components initialize correctly. After reboot, verify home screen, lock screen, and app icons reflect the new design. Tweak any remaining settings in the theme app. If icons or widgets are misaligned, clear the theme cache and restart the theme engine or reinstall the theme package. If problems persist, restore your backup to revert safely and collect logs before contacting support. One key tip: clearing theme cache often resolves rendering glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.